Hello beautiful humans, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about how I take care of my natural nails and how I remove my gel manicure. All you need is a sand bit, a 180 hand file, acetone and nail cover and a cuticle oil. Pretty much that's it. These are the things you need. Now you can watch me doing the rest of the process. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a like and comment down below on what you guys would like to watch next. And thank you so much for watching till the end. We'll see you guys soon.